Learn Hindi directions fast. Go straight, traffic light, and
के सामने.
welcome to the Lost Tourist Olympics. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi directions without getting emotionally defeated by one confusing intersection. Relax, laugh a little, and repeat after me. Imagine you are in a busy Indian city. Your phone battery is at 1%, your map is spinning like it drank too much chai, and a friendly local decides to save your day. The first life-saving phrase is,
सीधे जाइए.
that means, go straight. If the local gets more specific and points dramatically like a movie hero, you may hear,
पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले.
take the first street on the right. Then comes the sequel, because directions always have a sequel.
फिर बाएं.
Then left. And where does all this drama happen? Often.
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर.
At the traffic light. Finally, your destination is probably,
स्टेशन के सामने.
or something else,
के सामने.
opposite to something. Congratulations, you now sound at least 10% more like a person who knows where they are going. Your survival phrases. Let's lock in the core phrases first. Say them out loud, even if your cat judges your accent. Go straight. Hindi.
सीधे जाइए.
Take the first street on the right. Hindi.
पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले.
Then left. Hindi.
फिर बाएं.
At the traffic light. Hindi.
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर.
Opposite to. Hindi.
के सामने.
One useful full example. The hotel is opposite to the station. Hindi.
होटल स्टेशन के सामने है.
A very suspiciously helpful local. Now let's put the phrases into a tiny story. You just need to listen and enjoy the chaos. You ask, excuse me, where is the cafe? A man with excellent mustache energy smiles and says, first.
सीधे जाइए.
Quote. You nod like this is obvious, even though 5 seconds ago every road looked identical. Then he adds,
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर. पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले. फिर बाएं.
Quote. You repeat it in your head like a secret mission code. Go straight. At the traffic light, take the first street on the right. Then left. Finally he says, the cafe is.
बैंक के सामने.
Quote. Opposite the bank. You thank him, walk confidently in the wrong direction for 3 steps, panic elegantly, turn around, and then actually follow the instructions. Mini drill, big confidence. Time to train your ears and mouth together. I say English, then Hindi. You repeat like a champion. Go straight.
सीधे जाइए.
Take the first street on the right.
पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले.
Then left.
फिर बाएं.
At the traffic light.
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर.
Opposite to the station.
स्टेशन के सामने.
Opposite to the school.
स्कूल के सामने.
How to sound like you know the route. Here is the fun part. Chaining the phrases together. This is where you stop sounding like a phrasebook and start sounding useful. Try this full route.
सीधे जाइए. ट्रैफिक लाइट पर. पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले. फिर बाएं.
In English, that becomes, go straight. At the traffic light, take the first street on the right. Then left. Add the destination.
होटल स्टेशन के सामने है.
The hotel is opposite the station. Suddenly you are not lost. You are geographically dramatic, but not lost. Quiz time, no cheating with the map. Let's see what stuck. Answer before I do, and yes, I absolutely believe in you. How do you say, go straight?
सीधे जाइए.
How do you say, take the first street on the right?
पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले.
How do you say, then left?
फिर बाएं.
How do you say, at the traffic light?
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर.
How do you say, opposite to the bank?
बैंक के सामने.
Translate this full clue.
ट्रैफिक लाइट पर. फिर बाएं.
At the traffic light, then left. A tiny culture tip. One quick real-world note before you march into the city like a bilingual explorer. In real conversations, people often give directions fast, with hand gestures doing half the work. So if someone says,
सीधे जाइए.
while pointing forward, or
फिर बाएं.
while chopping the air to the left, trust both the words and the gesture. Also,
के सामने.
is extremely useful because landmarks matter. A place may be described as
मंदिर के सामने. स्कूल के सामने.
or.
बैंक के सामने.
In other words, if you can spot one building, you can often find the other one. Language plus eyeballs, a powerful combination. Friendly conclusion. You made it, and more importantly, you did not get permanently lost in Grammar Alley. Nice work. Today you practiced 5 powerful Hindi direction phrases.
सीधे जाइए. पहली सड़क दाईं ओर ले. फिर बाएं. ट्रैफिक लाइट पर.
And
के सामने.
thank you for listening. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases on your next walk, and soon you will understand and give simple directions in Hindi with much more confidence. You've got this.